Hey there, everybody. Leader here. It's been about 11 months since I've done a shop tour, and considering this is very clean compared to what it normally looks like in here. I figured I would give a bit of a tour. So I decided to move the mill and the machinist tool stack closer to the woodworking area over here. Uh, Sorry about the sniffles. My allergies are on. They're dialed up to 11 today for some reason. I've got a couple of AC units right there. One of them will eventually be going there underneath the shipping bench, and then tied up into this ducting system here that I've been building out, which some of y'all have seen through the YouTube shorts. Let's see. I'm going to be doing a dust collection system here on this miter saw as well. Let's see. Updates from the last time. Updates. Okay, well, one of my brothers, while he was in town, helped me meticulously wire all of these outlets up to a couple of switches, so I finally have. I can turn those off and those off, which actually, here, let me show you all this. So yeah, these are all just, it's still just taped up there for now. I've got some plans on how I want to get all of this to kind of articulate, but honestly, I'm not going to do any more designs. This one just works out perfectly. Every single shot underneath there. Here, let me show you the difference. Let's see. Can I turn this thing around? No? Alright, well then. There we go. So, here I am, standing underneath this light. I'm assuming it's going to be pretty unflattering. But now, watch this. Alright? Some more unflattering light. The moment I step over here, though, look at that. It's just clean. It's just fucking clean. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this configuration. So, over here, at this portion of the shop, I'm also planning on putting another one right up there. So, right up here. I'll have to dodge some of this stuff, and I'll have to dodge some of this stuff. But yeah, I don't necessarily want to do some fancy lighting here until I swap this garage door for one of those like roll-ups, which that'll be a while. But when I do that, then I'll have all of this square footage up here available to me. Anyways, so I guess yeah, so I moved my polyjet over here. Still non-op. This is currently my method for turning on the blower, which it's kind of loud, and all it's doing right now is taking the hot air that's up in the attic space, like in between the trusses up there, and just fucking blowing it straight through there. It goes straight down this wall, and then it swirls up underneath here, and then it continues the cycle until I seal it off, which I still haven't done yet. I've been busy moving all this stuff. Don't get mad at me. Anyways, so yeah, that's it's been challenging and interesting and fun, and I'm still like learning this space is the easiest way to put it. Here, let me turn this off so I'm not competing with it. So the hobbyist machines are still just sitting here idle, but they do have power, so I could start kicking some of these on and start calibrating them and everything like that, but I would need to have a PC to run them or a Pi, and I think I've got a couple of Pis lying around, so I might be able to find one that works for what it is that I want to do. Oh, there's that thing from the last video. Oh yeah, look at how fucking hot it is in here. 99.3 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is just miserable. Printed a few more things on Mavis, a couple more things on Karen. Made a discovery with Mavis and Karen that allows me to use an even less expensive filament, which is awesome. Candy, I haven't really done anything with. She's still fucking giving me problems. And these two, right now, they're just occupying space. I have no idea what the status of these two are. I know that I'll be able to get this one running, and I'm hoping I'll be able to get this one running. And honestly, I prefer this form factor, so if I can get this one running, I might just rob the electronics out of this and into there, like I've done for that one, Candy, which might be why it's not. Anyways, yeah, so that's kind of it. I mean, it's what, 700 and something square feet, 16 by 40. Somebody check my math. I know it's going to be wrong. Oh, this is the plan for the, well, I'll let those of you who can figure out what this is figure that out. But this is a plan for the ducting, right? So here's the blower. Here's filter 1 and filter 2. Filter 1 is in the 3D printing shop, and filter 2 is in the wood shop. It's going to blow out through here and then back up and around, and each one of these indicates areas where the air can escape via vents and shit like that, with the idea being that if this is all inside of a box and you're pulling air from here and here and only dumping it over here, there'd be a higher pressure over here than there would be over here, so any dust that's made over here ideally would stay over here. At least that's the thought process. I'm also eventually probably just going to put some fucking vinyl curtains all the way through here and then seal off like one of the triangles or whatever. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, so that's kind of the major updates. We have actual data out here now. I don't have to stretch a cable underneath the door. I ran it through the attic. It was a lot of fucking work. So I have a direct line to my PC as well as straight up internet. So once I put a router out here that can kind of manage the internet, almost like a network bridge or whatever, then I can start streaming out here. So anyways, I'm all phlegmy. I'm sorry about the disgusting quality of this video. Here, hold on, let me get back over to the good light. But yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.